Hello everybody, we just got back from buying groceries and man, it is cold and miserable out here. Cloudy, mist and rain, but we want to show you what we got from our supermarket in Baytown called Joe V's. And I'm gonna head in the house and I'll show you what we got meat wise. Ooh, it's cold. It's like 42 out here. And misty. Okay, I made it back in the house. And that's what we got. Let me turn on some light. Not much light. Turning this other one on. Anyway. We got 2 chuck shoulder roast, and they were $4.77 a pound for 18 bucks. That's about as cheap as we can find it. Chicken wings, on the other hand, don't make sense. $3.29 a pound. And $7.53 just for that little bit. But we had some 10 pounds of chicken, legs and thighs here. It was $3.70 for 10 pounds, 37 cents a pound. That's a hamburger meat, $2.67 a pound. That's 3.43 pounds for 9 bucks. And we got one more. It's $2.67 a pound. But we bought extra to stock up because we use hamburger meat more than anything. So if you live in the area, say hi, Brandy.
Hi, Brandy.
Hi, Charlie. Hi, everybody out there in YouTube world. My hair is just everywhere. I tried to go get a haircut and everybody was closed on Saturday. Can you believe it? And oh well, we just thought we'd share that with y'all, and y'all like, share, and subscribe, and give us thumbs up, and ring that dingle bell. And we're gonna keep making videos. So, oh, Autumn, what are you doing? Yeah. Okay, folks. Oh, you want to come say hi? Yeah. She wants to say hi. Hey, look at the camera and say hi.
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 Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say thumbs up.
Bye, y'all.